Hey everyone! Get ready to dive into the wildest and most bizarre festivals from around the world. We're talking about celebrations so unique, so unexpected, you'll be saying, they do what? From massive tomato fights to colourful spring celebrations, these festivals are sure to blow your mind. So buckle up, get ready for some fun, and let's jump right in.
Okay, first up we're heading to Spain, but don't worry, you don't need your bathing suit. Well, actually, you might want to wear one anyway. You see, every year in a little town called Buñol, they have this festival called La Tomatina. And what do they do at La Tomatina? Oh, just have the biggest, messiest food fight you've ever seen in your life. Imagine being up to your ankles, no, up to your knees, wait for it, up to your eyeballs in tomatoes. I'm talking about overripe, juicy tomatoes flying through the air. People come from all over the world just to get in on the action. They say it's all in good fun, a way to let loose and, paint the town red. Literally, I can just imagine the smell. And the cleanup. Can you imagine being the guy who has to hose down the streets after La Tomatina? Talk about a tough job. But hey, you know what they say when in Spain? Duck!
Seriously, if you're ever at La Tomatina, wear goggles. Trust me on that one.
So, we've had our fun in the sun. Now let's cool things down a bit. And by cool things down, I mean get a little bit spooked out. We're heading to Austria, where they celebrate Christmas with a little twist. Forget Santa Claus, they've got Krampus. Now, Krampus is, how shall I put this, not exactly known for his generosity. Imagine a big, hairy, horned creature with a long, pointy tongue. Yeah, he's not exactly the kind of guy you want coming down your chimney. But hey, that doesn't stop the Austrians from having a good time. During Krampusnacht, people dress up in these elaborate Krampus costumes, complete with scary masks and bells. They parade through the streets, making a whole lot of noise and, scaring the living daylights out of everyone. I guess it's their way of saying, hey, you better be good, or Krampus is gonna get you. It's all in good fun, of course. But still, I think I'll stick to my Christmas carols and gingerbread cookies. Alright, get ready to get dusty. We're heading to the Nevada desert for Burning Man, and trust me, this is like no other festival on Earth. Imagine a city that pops up out of nowhere, filled with art, music, and people expressing themselves in the most incredible ways. Burning Man is all about community, creativity, and letting your freak flag fly. People wear crazy costumes, build giant art installations, and dance the night away under the desert sky. It's a place where you can be yourself, no judgments, just pure, unadulterated self-expression. And then there's the burning of the man. That's right, they build this giant wooden effigy, and on the last night of the festival, they set it on fire. It's a powerful symbol of letting go of the past and embracing new beginnings. Burning Man is definitely not your average festival, but that's what makes it so special. It's a chance to connect with people from all walks of life, experience incredible art and music, and just let loose in the middle of the desert.
Okay, I've seen a lot of crazy things in my life, but this one takes the cake. Or should I say, the cheese. We're going to the UK for the Cheese Rolling Festival, and yes, it's exactly what it sounds like. Picture this. A bunch of people chasing a giant wheel of cheese down a steep hill. Sounds fun, right? Except, it's not as easy as it looks. People trip, they fall, they tumble down the hill, all in pursuit of this elusive cheese wheel. And the best part? Nobody really knows how it started. Some say it's an ancient pagan ritual, others say it was just a way for villagers to have some fun. Whatever the reason, one thing's for sure. The Cheese Rolling Festival is one wild ride. I don't know about you, but I think I'll just watch from the sidelines on this one. I'm all for a good time, but I'm not sure I'm ready to risk life and limb for a chunk of cheddar. Get ready to add some colour to your life because we're ending our journey in India for the Holi Festival. This is the Festival of Colours, a celebration of spring, love, and new beginnings. Imagine being showered in a rainbow of vibrant powders, dancing in the streets with strangers, and feeling the joy and energy of thousands of people coming together. That's Holi. It's a time to let go of grudges, forgive and embrace the beauty of new beginnings. People spend days preparing for Holi, making colourful powders called gulal and filling water guns with coloured water. And when the day arrives, it's a full-on colour explosion. Everyone is fair game, so be prepared to be covered from head to toe in a kaleidoscope of colours. It's messy, it's chaotic, and it's absolutely amazing. Holi is a celebration of life in all its vibrant glory, and it's something everyone should experience at least once.
Thanks for joining us on this wild ride through some of the craziest festivals around the world. We've seen tomato fights, cheese chases, and even a scary Christmas creature. It just goes to show that no matter where you go in the world, people know how to have a good time. Which festival would you love to experience? Let us know in the comments below. And if you're feeling adventurous, tell us about a crazy festival in your part of the world. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more amazing content. Until next time, stay curious and keep exploring.